Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect Fire TV stick to mobile hotspot. So first things first, you just need to head over and then turn on your Fire TV stick onto your device. And then from in there, you should be able to see and hear this interface. So connecting that is actually really easy. Onto your home screen, you can head over and then click onto this gear icon right here, which is actually your settings. So I have in here this article that can help us with that. So in order to connect your Fire Stick to mobile hotspot, first things first is to make sure to turn on your cellular data as well as your mobile hotspot. So you can set it up on your iPhone as well as your Android. Now, in order to connect it, you can just click onto the gear icon that we have earlier, and then from in there, select network from the settings list. Once you have clicked on that, just look for your mobile hotspot network. In this case, it's called Jay's iPhone. Just head over and click on that. If it asks for password, input the right password, and then you should be able to connect it right there. Enter your password, click on connect, and after that, your Fire Stick will be connected to the internet using this method. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.